Look at the money in your bank account. That number on your screen. Where did it actually come from? The obvious answer is that you earned it. Someone paid you, the money moved to you, simple. But go one step back. Where did your employer get it? From their customers. And where did the customers get it? From their employers. Keep following the chain back and back and back, and you arrive at a question almost nobody can answer. Who makes money in the first place? Most people picture a government printing press, churning out notes day and night. And that does happen. But here's the fact that genuinely surprises people. The vast majority of money is not printed at all. In a modern economy, physical cash, the actual notes and coins, makes up only a tiny slice of all the money that exists. Most estimates put it at under 5%. The other 95% or more exists only as numbers on screens. So if it is not being printed, where is it coming from? The answer is going to sound like a conspiracy theory. It is not. It is just how banking works, and it is printed in the official reports of central banks. Most money is created by ordinary banks out of nothing the moment they make a loan. Let me show you exactly how. You walk into a bank and you are approved for a loan of $10,000. You probably imagine the bank reaching into a vault, taking $10,000 that some saver deposited earlier and handing it to you. That is not what happens. Instead, the bank simply types $10,000 into your account. It does not move the money from anywhere. It does not take it from another customer. It creates a new deposit by updating a number. A moment ago, that money did not exist. Now it does. The loan creates the money. This sounds impossible, so let it sink in. When a bank lends, it is not lending out money it already had. It is writing new money into existence, as a deposit in your account, balanced against your promise to pay it back. The promise and the money are created in the same instant. This is the single most misunderstood fact in all of finance. And once you see it, the world looks different. It means that most of the money in everyone's accounts was, at some point, born as somebody's debt. The money supply and the debt supply grow together. Two sides of the exact same act, and it raises an obvious, frightening question. If banks can just create money by typing, what stops them from creating infinite money and making everyone rich? Two things. The first is that money created this way is not a gift, it is a loan. It has to be paid back, with interest. When you repay the loan, that money is deleted again, vanishing as quietly as it appeared. Money is created when banks lend and destroyed when loans are repaid. It is constantly being born and dying. The second break is the rules. Banks are not actually allowed to create unlimited money. They are bound by regulations, by the need to stay safe, and above all by whether people are willing and able to borrow. A bank can only create money if someone walks in wanting a loan and is judged able to repay it. So the real engine of new money is not the printing press, it is borrowing. And this is why central banks raise and lower interest rates. They are not flipping a money printer on and off. They are changing how expensive it is to borrow, which speeds up or slows down how fast banks create new money. Cheap borrowing, more money is created. Expensive borrowing, less. The entire economy runs on this hidden tide of money being created by loans and destroyed by repayments, rising and falling, mostly invisible to the people living inside it. Which brings us back to the number on your screen. That balance feels solid, permanent, like a pile of gold sitting in a drawer with your name on it. But it is not a pile of anything. It is a promise, recorded as a number, in a system where most money is conjured into being by a keystroke and erased by a repayment. The money is real, in the sense that it buys real things. But it was not dug out of the ground or printed in a basement. Most of it was simply spoken into existence by a bank the moment somebody promised to pay it back. Now you know.